Piecewise functions. When writing piecewise functions, we use this symbol here to put our pieces of our function in. In this case, we have 3 pieces to this function. Let's call this function g. Okay, our first function, let's go ahead and start with this one down here. This function is going to be -1. The second function has a slope down 1 over 1. So -x has a y-intercept of 0. The third function, this function right here, has a slope of rise 2, run 1. So 2 over 1 x, and a y-intercept of 0. Okay, so that's how you write the 3 pieces. You have to write the equations for those 3 lines. Okay, now that we've written the functions, now we have to write the restrictions. So in order to write the restrictions, we're going to put a comma after the function. So this function here, on the left side, the x value, if we go up to the x-axis, is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So -6. It's a closed dot, so less than or equal to x, less than or equal to, it's a closed dot on the other side, and that's at -2 on the x-axis. So that is your domain restriction for the first function. The second function has a restriction from, if we start here, -2, and actually I erased the open circle, so let me go back and put that on there because I had an open circle there. So it starts at -2 and goes to 0. So from -2 to 0. I'm going to go ahead and write this one a little bit differently. I'm going to go, no, actually I'm going to do it the same way. -2 is less than x. Notice I did not put an equal sign because it's an open dot. And it's going to 0, so less than or equal to 0. And 0 is a closed dot because it's a closed dot. Okay, the third function. I hope you're following this. All right, restriction on this one. Okay, it starts off at 0 on the x, and it goes an arrow on the other end. So it's going to go from 0 to infinity. And that's how you write the pieces and the domain restrictions for a piecewise function.